So let's take a look at how you can use Kamua to convert your existing YouTube content into YouTube Shorts. And you can do that in Kamua, all in your browser. So the first thing you need to do is copy and paste your YouTube link into Kamua. And now you can see that AutoCut has split out all of the component shots of the video to give you a nice little storyboard so you can visualize your video. You can select any shots in any order, but we're going to select a sequence of shots. You select the first shot, hold down Shift and select the last shot you want. And when you do that, as you can see, all the shots in between get selected. So now we add those 14 shots to the timeline. And then we go to project settings. We want this in 9:16 because that's the format for YouTube Shorts. And we also want to turn auto crop on. Now auto crop will detect the subject in your video and crop it to that subject. So now we'll hit full render. So if you want to see how this video turned out, click on the link in the description to see the final video.